no Pakistani man or women will be handed over, including Afia Siddiqui. You keep hearing this nonsense. She was not handed over by anybody in Pakistan to the Americans. She actually escaped to Afghanistan and she was arrested there and picked up and taken over. And they made an issue out of it. Number one. We also told them that we will not hand you over any Turk. We also told them we will not hand you over any Chinese. We also told them we will not hand you over any Saudis unless the Saudis tell us.
Protecting the friends.
Oh, okay.
Protecting the friends. It's not only about Pakistanis. Pakistanis was out of the question. We said we will not hand you over any of our close strategic allies. And also about the rest. We will only hand them over to you after we get clearance from their country.
Thank you
So
very much.
this is not given anywhere. Now I'll an anecdotal thing because that will help explain it. There were a few people from a small Gulf country who were in our custody. So we called their ambassador and said that these guys are from your country. The Americans are asking for them. Would you like to take them back or should we then hand them over to the Americans? And he turned around and he said, General, do they have a passport of my country? I said, for God's sake, they don't carry passports. They don't go into terrorist camps with passports. Second thing he said is, do they have any identity papers identifying that they are from my country? I said, no. He said, then they are not from my country. This was the view of all these countries, people who were handed over to the United States. Their countries disowned them. And if we had not handed them over to the United States, Pakistan would have been the United Nations of terrorists. We would have had terrorists from every country sitting in our custody in Islamabad and we wouldn't know what to do with them. Jahan tak hai about the rise of Imran Khan, frankly speaking, this is a typical Pakistani way of maligning somebody. यार ये तो selected है, ये तो ISI ने कर दिया है.
Exactly.
You tell me any election in Pakistan in which it has been said by the losers that this was a very fair election and we lost fair and square. Tell me any election. कोई है? नहीं, but ask the winners, ask People's Party that you won in 2008. Was it a fair election? They'll tell you yes.
Yes.
You tell them you won in 1993. Was it a fair election? It was absolutely fair election. You ask Nawaz Sharif, you lost in 1993. Was it a fair election? They will say, बिल्कुल नहीं.
सर इस इलेक्शन में किसी ने भी आपकी कंप्लेन नहीं की मिलिट्री की ये तो
नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि उनसे पूछे ना जो इलेक्शन लड़ रहे थे,
किसी ने
जो जीते हैं वो कोई आके कह दे forget about तहरीक इंसाफ for the time being. आप पिछले इलेक्शन में चले जाए ना, 2013 के इलेक्शन में मियां साहब जीत गए थे. Was it a fair election? Ask them, they'll say yes. The losers will say no.
No.
We are bad losers. We are bad losers.
Sportsman spirit.
The fact is, in 2018, Imran was the most popular person in Pakistan.
Yes.
ठीक है? There's no comparison. There was no comparison. And he won. So why are we grudging him that victory? यार ये this is the best way कि नहीं यार ये तो ISI ने करा दिया. और क्या तरीका था?